But Zidane? Zidane was once in a lifetime. A nanosecond is only enough time for light to travel about 1 foot. That's how long your visit would last. Let's assume you're facing the sun. Normally you shouldn't look directly at it, but when it fills your entire field of view, that becomes a little hard to avoid. During that nanosecond, about 1 microjoule of light would enter your eye. That sounds dramatic, but it's actually not very much. If you stare at a computer monitor with your eyes closed, then quickly open and shut them, your eyes would receive about the same amount of light as they would during 1 nanosecond on the sun. During that instant, photons from the sun would hit your retinal cells, but your nervous system reacts slowly compared to a nanosecond. You would spend 1 nanosecond on the sun, but it would take about 30 million nanoseconds, or 30 milliseconds, for your brain to notice. From your perspective, you'd simply see a flash. A brief burst of light that fades slowly as your retinal cells settle down. The heat absorbed by your skin would be tiny, about 10 to the minus 5 joules per square centimeter. That's almost nothing. For comparison, holding your finger in a butane lighter flame for 1 second delivers about 5 joules per square centimeter. That's roughly enough to cause a second-degree burn. Your sun visit would be 100,000 times weaker. But the sun's surface is actually the cool part. Inside the sun, temperatures reach millions of degrees. Inside the sun, you'd reach second-degree burn levels after just 1 femtosecond. A nanosecond contains 1 million femtoseconds. So, this would not end well. Deep inside the sun, most radiation isn't visible light. It's powerful X-rays. They would penetrate your body, heating your organs and damaging your DNA before the burning even starts. In Greek legend, Icarus flew too close to the sun. The heat melted his wings and he fell from the sky. But temperature and heat aren't the same thing. Melting requires absorbing a specific amount of energy. And the energy absorbed depends on both temperature and time. Which brings us back to Icarus. His wings didn't melt because he got close to the sun, they melted because he stayed too long. Visit briefly, in tiny hops, and theoretically, you could go anywhere.